back to the Willow Pink channel. So today I'm going to be making some edible slime, but first I need to introduce you to someone. I want to introduce you to Mr. Slime.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Slime and I will be giving you some tips throughout the video on how to make edible slime. Hang on a minute, Willow Pink. I think you are forgetting something. Before we start this, you must wash your hands.
Guys, just like Mr. Slime said, we have to wash our hands before we make our edible slime. And to make your edible slime, 1 icing sugar, 2 some gummy bears, 3 some corn flour, and 4 olive oil. So guys, what you'll need to do is put some gummy bears into a bowl and then put it and get a parent to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. You can put in all of the gummy bears because that's what makes lots of slime.
Before we put it in the microwave, remember, the microwave may burn you, so get your parents' help.
Ooh, that's nice rainbow. Look at that, you guys. And now what you'll have to do is mix until it's all smooth. It's thick, isn't it, guys? It's really hot though, so be careful. Wow, that is so stretchy and sticky. Oh my god, there's bubbles in there. Your corn flour into your icing sugar. Half of the mixture now goes into the gummy bears. Oh, powdery over here. Oh, smoky. Now it's time to mix. Oh, it's a bit hard. Maybe if it's a bit too hard, you could probably ask a grown-up to help. And now put in all the rest of the mixture, just like this. The fun bit, to squish it all together. Ooh, it feels like squish hubba bubba. And it's nice and warm, that feels so good. You guys should feel it, it is so warm. So good. Stretch. Oh, it's really stretchy too. That hard. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna add some olive oil. Oh my god, this is the best slime. If it's still a bit sticky, add some corn flour. The best part of this slime is you can eat it. And also, I'm going to tell you one thing. It's really good for a plate. You can say, oh hi, look at this slime that I made. And so guys, I wanted to tell you something. Don't leave it sitting around somewhere or it might stick and you can't get it off. So, put it in a bag. And from all that hard work, let's have some water. Really give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe. So, I hope you like this video. Bye!
Thank you for having me, Willow Pink. The edible slime was a great success.